Hi, I'm Katie, and welcome back to our series covering evidence review with Rev. In part 1, we saw how Rev captures and transcribes evidence from every source. Now for part 2, discovery analysis. This is where Rev Insights become your secret weapon, analyzing all your discovery documents as one cohesive set to uncover contradictions and discrepancies that could make or break your case. Here I have a case with all my discovery materials already transcribed in Rev. We've got an official police report of the incident and multi-body cam footage transcripts from different officers. This was from a family dispute incident in February of 2023 in Pasadena, where officers responded to a disturbance at Marengo and Walnut Streets. Instead of manually cross-referencing each document, I can use Rev Insights to analyze everything simultaneously. So let's get started. First, I'm going to select everything in this folder. I'm going to click on Insights. That's going to take me to a new screen where I can work with everything together. Rev Insights has this nice chat functionality. I can see over on the right all of the files that I'm working with. In the middle, I have the chat, and on the left-hand side, I have my most recent chats, so I can always take a look at what I've been working on before. So for this, let's focus on what discrepancies we can find between the different files that we have transcribed. I'm going to ask the Rev AI assistant a question. What discrepancies exist between the police report and body cam transcripts regarding the timeline of events and when officers arrived? Now watch this. Rev analyzes all documents at once and immediately surfaces the contradictions. You can see here as it's reading out that there's some timeline discrepancy. There's some discrepancy around the nature of the incident. The police report describes the incident as a family dispute where no categorical force was used or reported, but the body cam transcripts show individuals claiming police were, quote, trying to really hurt my kids and putting my face in cactus. Seeing those immediately next to each other is a great way to start figuring out how your evidence fits together. The thing that's also great about Rev Insights is that everything is cited, so you don't have to worry about hallucinations. If you click on one of these citations, it'll pull up exactly where it got that information from in which transcript and which piece of evidence. So you can always know that everything that Rev Insights is telling you is true and citable. So normally, if you were doing evidence review, you would have had to manually look at all these documents and figure out where the contradictions lie. With Rev Insights, I can do that all in just a couple of seconds, and I can have everything cited, so if I want to bring it to court, I can. The other thing that's great is, like I mentioned, over on the left-hand side, you can see previous chats. So if you pull this out and you find really useful bits of evidence here in this chat, you'll always be able to return back to them. That's how Rev transforms discovery from days of manual cross-referencing into just minutes of targeted analysis. You're not just reviewing documents with Rev, you're uncovering the contradictions between official reports and actual evidence that can expose police misconduct and build stronger defense cases. In part 3 of our series, I'll show you how Rev accelerates witness preparation by helping you build examination strategies based on these insights.